Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use negative modifiers in Bambu Studio. So first of all, you need to simply launch your Bambu Studio application. Afterwards, you just have to simply import the model that you want to modify. Now over here, you need to simply just first of all select the object. So as you can see, I've selected this particular object. So after selecting it, you just have to right click on it. Then among the given options, simply hover over to the add negative part. Then you are going to see a bunch of different shapes. So we have cube, cylinder, sphere, cone, disc, torus, etc. So among these shapes, you just have to simply select any of these shapes. So let's say I've selected the shape of sphere over here. So here the negative part is going to act like a cutting tool, and it is going to remove that particular area from your model when you slice it. So selecting the negative part, and then you just have to simply just move it on top of your object. If you want to select it again, simply go to the objects section, then select the option of your negative part that you have added. So after selecting it, simply go to the option of scale. Then you just have to simply scale it. You can increase it in size just like so. You can also decrease it with the help of the move tool. You can just simply increase or decrease or basically move it inside your object. So let's have basically selected it something like this. So once you are done with the positioning, you just have to simply click on the option of slice plate, and as soon as you have done that, you are inside the preview tab where you are going to see the application of the negative part. So the sphere that I've added over here is going to basically cut, and you can just view it by using this particular layer option. So that's how you can basically do it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.